one piece. Hey, y'all see it. Stop playing with me.
Damn, baby. I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul.
What's up and welcome to another vlog. Today, I know I look a hot mess. It ain't about me today. Today, in my Thanksgiving shirt. Today, we are taking pictures. Easter pictures for my baby. Let me show y'all him. He looks so cute. Oh, and we at the same park that I had took my maternity photos. We have to pull his hair back out. I'm a whole photographer out here. I think this is a good idea. This tree song, he can stand by it. So you gonna put him on top of it? Oh. He don't even want to touch the thing.
Like, I already know what he's gonna do with it.
Don't throw that on the ground.
Here, hold it. Hey, chick. Let me record too.
Wait, chill. Bye, sis. He's fake laughing, so he's not even. Bye, sis. Laughing for fun.
Bye.
Okay, get an egg out of it.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
So I ended up using none of the photos from the camera because for some reason they came out like not clear. It was like it was kind of blur. So I didn't use none of those, but that one was really, really good on that bridge. But yeah, I end up not using none of those. I end up using the ones that I took from my phone actually. Oh my God! I knew you. Hey! you can't record because you gotta help. Oh my God. Okay, wait, baby. Wait, baby. Wait, baby. Hey, hey. Wait. I'm trying to tie his shoe. Lord. Woo! This was really hard, and he didn't listen to us the whole time, and we needed a third person to assist. We are done trying to take photos. This is how my boy is looking. Yeah. What's up, vloggy vlog? Hey, what's up, vloggy vlog?
Dude. Huh?
Yeah, say hi.
Huh?
No, you gotta say hi like this.
No.
Oh, he said no. He don't want to say hi to y'all. But we are at Cajun Corner. Let me see if y'all can. See, we are at Cajun Corner. I got the VIP parking. And we about to meet up for my brother's birthday dinner. And we about to have some good old coffee. And Bryson should have had a babysitter because he don't know how to act them. He don't got no home training. He don't got no home training, so. Okay, so Bison's dad did end up coming to get him because I couldn't do it. You can't eat seafood and chase a kid, like. But anyway, my camera would not focus the whole time I was there, and I end up not getting a lot of footage. So, you know, okay.
See my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. 2 times, baby girl, you know.
What's up, you guys? The last time I've been over on here, yesterday at the restaurant, I couldn't even get the freaking camera to focus. Oh, this is what I got on now. It's Easter Sunday. I didn't even get y'all to see me in my Easter dress neither. But yeah, it's been a long day. Baby, although this is cute on my camera, it is annoying. Like when I'm trying to do the front camera thingy, selfie type, frame type, whatever. Y'all get it. So anyway, my sister done jacked me for my shades. This is what I got on, just a little, you know, just a little one piece. Hey, y'all see it? Stop playing with me. So I had to come and get these. Boom, the Chanel boys. Oh, alright. We got the Chanel boys on. Stop playing with me out here in these streets. But okay, so today we vlogging. I gotta get my vlog sticky thing. What is tripod. Okay, this is how I'm looking. You can't ever open that door.
Are you a
I am. What you drinking?
I was drinking
That stuff from yesterday?
whiskey.
I want some. There go the twins.
Yeah, let me go get them out here right quick.
There go Tisa right there. Say hey to the vlog. Hey, say hey to the... I had to go get my other shit. Oh, this is a great moment.
Let me stop. Hop in the booth and eject the top. Fly in the boot bomb, found a pop. Ratchet and righteous, we all we got. Shout out my mama, she never judged me. Even told me I'm cute when I know I'm ugly. Shout the ones who I know only God control me. Smoking nowadays, I always need 3 to hold me. The Father, the Son, the Holy Smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb, that Nova Scotia blue mama. The Father, the Son, the Holy Smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb, that Nova Scotia blue mama. The Father, the Son, the Holy Smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb, that Nova Scotia blue mama. The Father, the Son, the Holy Smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb, that Nova Scotia blue mama. I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room room. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.
Yep. Throw it back. Throw it to me. Throw it to me. Oh my gosh. Look at them shoes. Oh my god. Them shoes out of there. Stop going through.
I remember wondering what I'm gonna eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon.
Her man's name. She got kids. She got kids. Yes, no.
Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Exciting new Maybach coupe peanut butter jelly.
Oh, it's about to be some shit.
For somebody else. Shut up.
Can't you see two men are talking?
Yeah. Come on, Bryce. You gotta go look for the egg. I was gonna say Bryce, her. Oh, you can just go. Look, the that one.
That one. Lina.
You see that egg right there, buddy? He don't care about no eggs. Get the boy. Look.
Is this an actual egg?
You should go for the color. You know, colorful egg?
Oh, no, but it's just okay. Give my boy. Give my boy. No! Okay, go help him find some candy. He needs to find candy. Show him candy. One candy it will do for him. One candy will do for him. Okay, look, Bryson, look. Oh my gosh, candy. Oh my gosh. Get the candy, buddy. It's the candy over there. Oh, I see another one too. It's over there on the other side. Oh, he said no. Bryson, come over here. Bye.
It's for Joey. Give it to me.
I know. I'm trying to get him straight. I'm trying to get him to where he can sponsor. Okay, there you go. Get the candy. Dang, if you lie, we can't delete that. Look. Are you candy? Get it, buddy. Get the candy. He said he don't like that kind.
What is that?
Crack pipe.
Get hit by them limbs.
He keep ducking and going under stuff. And Joey following him wherever he go. He following the wrong one. You know, it's just a lot of kids. Leave him alone. Bryson, leave him alone. How you gonna jack the boy for his stuff? Here, baby. Here, baby.
Joey, come on.
Here, mama thinking. That one yours. That one yours. Yeah. You like that one? Did you like that one?
You got 9.
You think you just would? You ain't gonna hunt. You just gonna jack somebody. He just gonna jack somebody, baby, because he gonna snatch up Joey by his shirt and took his stuff. And what are you doing? Okay. Y'all see this cool thing? Ooh. We are going to paint this. I said yellow, maybe pink. We're gonna paint it like really, really bright. It has lights in here and everything. Like it's gonna be a vibe, like a vibe. Oh yeah. Good morning vlog and welcome to a new day. Check the fit. Check the fit. This was a bodysuit and I just cut it in half, you know. I'm cleaning up. Need to do a lot of laundry. It's not too bad. That pot over there is clean. I was just waiting for it to dry. It's not too bad. Some candy from yesterday. This is some cake from Easter. It's not too bad, but I need to wash. That's the main thing. Sweetheart, come here. You wanna say hey to the vlog? Come here. Come here. Come here. I wanna say, you wanna say hey to them? They're right here. Say hi. Oh, you're so sweet. But I think I'm about to close the vlog out here. You know what I'm saying? Until the next vlog, because I'm probably gonna do some editing today. Anyway, because I want my Easter vlog to be going up on what is the next holiday? On 4th of July. I think that's the next holiday, I'm not sure. But oh, Mother's Day. On my Easter vlog be coming up on Mother's Day. But anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because I'm a vibe. Period. Bye. Alright.